Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I just had this today. It's called Thinkplus Desktop Soundbar TS33-B from Lenovo. So before we do the unboxing, let's look into some of the videos and also pictures. I can't turn on the sound because for the what we call copyright. Okay. There's a lot of people who bought this actually. If you look into the yeah, on this website, on this Lazada, 44 ringgit 98 cents, and this is for 643, but 643 people who bought. But in other shopping place like Shopee, I saw a lot of buyer, like few thousands people buying. So yeah, the highlights. And also the other pieces. It's all the same. Same. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's unboxing now. So this is the box, front, on the side, behind, all right, on the side, on top, below. Okay, now let's unboxing. So that's it. As you can see from the video, under the mesh, so there's two speaker, and then tweeter, and then this detail. The knob. On the side nothing, behind, okay, then the wire, aux in, and USB. Power rated is 5 volt. You can plug the USB to 5 volt 1.3. Right, so I'm gonna do another video of the sound, but before that, before we end this video, there's another thing that I want to show you. So it came with this, and then if you want to read, then you can pause. Then Chinese. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Ciao. Bye bye.